All right, YouTube. What's going on? I'm going through some drama. The pin of the RCA broke in the amp. Look at this, cheapies. So we got to remove it. It's pretty much, I heated up a nail, a thin nail. You want to burn out the sides of the inside, and get your pliers. Throw it in there, which I already did. It was heated. I heated it up till it's red, and let's pull it out. See if the trick works. Check it out. Look, it's out. That's the pin right there. Cheapo little pin. So heat up a nail, roll a little needle, get some pliers, and it comes right off. All right, YouTube. Hope it helps you out.